Welcome back, guys. It is Patrick Robertson here at Momentous Building, and we got a special treat. We're at this office build out today. It's been a few weeks. I want to give you a nice update and kind of rocking through how we do our tile floor. It is awesome. It's waterproof. Right now we got the guys laying down floors. It's Saturday. We're hustling to really push this job, get it to the finish line, and get this thing rolling. So let's check in what we got inside, and I want to show you exactly how we do our waterproofing, so that way we give our clients a lifetime warranty on any leaks through the waterproofing that we put down. Check this out.
I want to show the other paper.
Danny. All right, that was our project update. A lot going in. We're gonna have these hardwood floors down by the end of next week. The tile is gonna be done, trim's done, door hardware, all that good stuff. Then we're gonna be able to put the carpet in. Really exciting. You're gonna get another update in a few weeks how we progress through this project. As an update, it's been about 6-7 weeks since we started this project. Construction takes time. There's methods to the madness in order to do it right, not damage it, and have the right products in there. Until then, guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Give us a like and share and subscribe. It'll help us out.